Go to Google. In Google, search coplayer. Sorry. Yeah, it's okay. Coplayer. Coplayer for PC. Here, coplayer exists. Please do not download from the first one. Download from the second one. Up, down, second, third, anyone player PC. The coplayer, its on site was coplayer.com, but I don't know, it's not showing now. That's banned or something, some problem is there, but I have already downloaded. Okay, here is the latest version I have already downloaded, and I like the first version, coplayer 1. I don't like coplayer 2. Okay, here it is. Remember to select the language you know. Okay, decoplayer. Next. Okay, keep install games and apps. I have already installed the program coplayer. Open the application. Here it is, coplayer multi manager. Here it is. Launch the application. Application for launch. So there's one launch. Here we have a WhatsApp install in this application. If you want the second account, it's for everyone, for every application. If you want a second account, close it. Okay, never ask again. Yes. Come here, add emulator, new emulator. Okay, now launch this. Continue to start. Here it is. You can install any application you want. Just go to APK and install your application. WhatsApp, for example. Here it is, your application. From here you can add more emulators, and that's all.